Hey guys, this is Sweet Zivile. Today we're making zucchini raviolis. Slice your zucchinis in slices using a veggie peeler, or you can use a mandolin. You will end up with slices like this. Take ricotta cheese, eggs, and mix of spices. I'll put all the spices and the ingredients in the description below. Mix very well. Take 9 by 13 baking dish and place 1 cup of marinara sauce. Even it out and put it aside. Take 2 slices of zucchini. No worries if there are imperfections, just overlap. And place 2 more slices across. Place a good dollop of ricotta cheese mixture and fold it in, just like this. And ta-da! We have a ravioli! Place all the raviolis in the baking dish and marinara sauce. So I got all the raviolis. I'm gonna pour 1 more cup of marinara sauce on the top. Spread it out. And I have 1 cup of shredded mozzarella cheese. Bake in the preheated oven to 350 Fahrenheit for 45–60 minutes. And ta-da! Raviolis are done. Smells so good. Come to the table. Enjoy!